Welcome to AVMall. Let's go through a quick aircraft search tutorial that also includes selecting and sending requests, as well as changing the view according to your preferences. To find a suitable aircraft, hover to the side menu and click on Aircraft Search. Start filling in your own search criteria. You may start with filling in the required information for the flight schedule, such as departure airport, arrival airport, date and time, UTC or local time, departure or arrival, and number of passengers. You can add or remove sectors by pressing the plus and minus buttons on the right side. You may click View Map to view sector directly on the map. Also, you may include your own fleet in the results by checking the box. Once you have completed the flight schedule, you may click the search button directly or continue with the detailed search for more specific results. The specifications under Special Requirements and Cabin Specifications sections will change according to the configuration type you have selected. For instance, selecting Air Ambulance will reveal the following fields: number of stretchers, number of escorts, and also the door width. When we choose Freighter, the number of tons, floor size, and door dimensions will appear under the Cabin Specification section. In this example, we will choose VIP as the configuration type. Choose the aircraft category and engine type. Then next to range, you may exclude aircraft requiring fuel stops during the performance of your flight by selecting no fuel stops. Then choose the range of the aircraft you wish to hire. In the age and model line, you can choose aircraft age based on your preference. You can also choose one or more options to define the exact model of the aircraft you're looking for. Under Special Requirements, it's possible to exclude aircraft requiring owner approval by checking the box. If your customer prefers to smoke on board, you can select Smoking Allowed and choose the type of smoke. Also, if your flight requires transporting pets, you can select Live Animal Transportation Allowed and enter the number and size of cages you wish to transport. Selecting Cabin Crew Available on Board will give you the option to search for operators providing flight attendants who speak certain languages. Then specify if you require all the selected languages by checking the box All Required. Otherwise, the systems will list operators who have flight attendants speaking at least one of the selected languages. Some operators don't offer alcohol on board. Therefore, you can exclude operators that don't serve alcohol by checking the box. Otherwise, leave it blank. If you select This flight requires coffin transportation, the system will display additional fields so that you may specify the number of coffins needed to be transported as well as the sizes. The search engine will show you only the aircraft which can accommodate your requirements. Next to cabin configuration, you can specify more detailed preferences such as the number of meeting rooms, convertible divan beds, partitions of the cabin, as well as the number of bathrooms, showers, toilets, etc. Select the preferred cabin height. Also, you may provide information on luggage compartment location, specification, and capacity. For galley, choose Open or Close. In the Power Plugs and Electrical Devices, you can select the type of electrical outputs you want to have on board. Since many VIP flights hold business meetings, internet and other electronic devices are considered essential for a successful flight. Therefore, you have a variety of devices to select from. The AVMall search engine will show you all aircraft equipped with the requested devices and utilities. You can also insert your own internal reference for this search, and/or select the name of your client who requested the flight. In case your client is not on the list, you may add them by clicking the plus button. Fill out the required fields, and please make sure to check the box Active next to Allow Access if you want to grant your client access to submit his request exclusively to you through AVMall, and then save. If you wish to keep your request confidential, you may check the box Confidential Request. This option will prevent other users within your company to see your request or any activity related to this request. Please note that this option may be granted to the users in User Manager. You may watch our User Manager tutorial for further guidance about how to manage permissions. Type in a message to be sent with your request. Define your preferred companies here. The selected companies will always show up at the top of your search result. Once you have filled the required information, you may click the Search button. The system will display the aircraft available for charter according to your search criteria. You might see empty legs that match your search, results with price, and results with no price, since the system allows operators to promote their fleet without showing the price. To change the results view, click on the Change View icon and choose the Grid, Tabs, or List. Then go to Sort Settings to sort the results according to your preferences and save. You can choose the currency of the prices from the drop-down list, or you may choose the price in the operator's currency. Under Results with or without price, you will see the registration number of the aircraft, the model, the year of manufacture, the seating capacity, the company name, the flight time, and then the fuel stops, if any, and the price will appear if the operator has chosen to show this information. If you want to gather more information on one of the options listed below, click View under Details and you'll be able to see more information related to aircraft, flight itinerary, flight time, and price if available. You may select one or more aircraft and then click the Review button. Review your entry, and then click Send Request. A new tab will open where you can choose one of the two options. Go to Request List to view your sent and received requests, or Aircraft Search to start a new search. In this example, click Requests List to go to Requests section where your request is saved. You may click on the request number or the View button on the right side to see the status and details of your request. Please watch the request tutorial via the link on our homepage to know more on how to manage requests and how operators and brokers can communicate via the Charter Promotion module. And that's it! The aircraft search tutorial is finished. We hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.